Good morning, students. Hope all are safe at home and hope all started learning also. Here we are continuing with the definitions as well as formulae. We will continue with the definition banker's discount. To understand this, you should first learn the definition in the previous video, especially discounting the bill. We know what is discounting the bill. When a bill is discounted in a bank, the banker will deduct some amount from the face value of the bill at the given rate of interest for the period from the date of discounting to the legal due date. And it is also called unexpired period. It's not written in your textbook. And pay the balance amount to the drawer. This amount is known as banker's discount or commercial discounts. One other word is used for this banker's discount is commercial discount. Next one is cash value. The amount paid to the drawer after deducting the banker's discount is called cash value. That is, from the face value, bank will deduct the banker's discount. That is called what? Cash value. Let us see some important point. True discount is the interest calculated on PW, that is the present worth. True discount is the interest calculated on present worth. But banker's discount is the interest calculated on the face value, that is sum due. Sum due already includes one true discount. Now, since sum due or a face value is more than present worth, we can say that banker's discount is always bigger than the true discount. Next one is banker's gain. The difference between banker's discount and a true discount is called a banker's gain. That is, bank is getting the income by subtracting banker's discount and true discount from banker's discount. Let us see the formula used in this part. First one is sum due is equal to present worth plus TW, that is true discount. Next is true discount is the interest calculated on present worth. So we can use the simple interest formula PW into NR upon 100. Instead of P, we use PW here. Next is banker's discount. Banker's discount is again the interest calculated on the sum due. So SD into NR upon 100. And banker's gain, we know banker's discount minus true discount. And next one is banker's gain is we can use another formula for banker's gain, TD into NR upon 100. I will tell how it is come. Banker's gain is equal to BD minus TD, that is banker's discount minus true discount, which is equal to banker's discount formula we know here, SD into NR upon 100. And true discount formula again we know, PW into NR upon 100. So which is equal to NR upon 100 into NR upon 100 is common in both the terms. So NR upon 100 into sum due minus present worth. So NR upon 100, and we know sum due minus present worth is true discount, that is obtained from the first formula. Sum due minus present worth is equal to true discount. So we can write the formula for banker's gain this way, TD into NR upon 100. In different problem we will use either this one or the second formula for banker's gain. Next is cash value. Cash value we know the bank give the amount by deducting the banker's discount to the drawer. That is called what? Cash value. That is sum due minus banker's discount. Sums in the exercise 1.2 are solved in the next video. Thank you.